Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing an open invite, and today's open invite is brought to you by the co-host MomDas Life. Her co-host is Sarah. Okay, so you can go check those ladies' channels out. They'll be in the description box, along with the playlist will be in my description box. So check out the playlist, guys, so you can see all the wonderful things. Now, this is brought to you by the Mason jars. Okay, so she wanted to do something that's useful, a DIY that's useful in your home with Mason jars. Now, I'm gonna be truthful with you. I don't use Mason jars much. I don't use jars too much, like in my house, around my house, because I use other things. But okay, I said I'll challenge myself to do something with the mason jar. So today we're just going to be using a couple things. So of course you're going to need the number one start is the mason jar. Alright, and then I picked up some of this grass from the Dollar Tree. We'll take that out so it won't be making noise. And you're going to need some jute rope. Alright, and then you need some of this floral foam. Okay, and then you need flowers of your choice. All right. Okay, so that's what you're gonna be needing. Something to cut your rope with. Something to cut the what is this? The floral foam with. And you're gonna need your glue gun, guys. All right. So if you like these type of videos, please give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe. Hit the bell notification. Comment. I love your comments. And also share the video, guys.